again, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Now we're inviting you to approach here to the center of our stand. After Pro Series and Digital Series, we'd like to present you our latest, scalable, also powerful, short-run digital solution, the Pro Max. So if you haven't seen it running, please approach us. We're going to be doing, again, 2 jobs here with a changeover. So it's going to be quite interesting show. And ladies and gentlemen, we're really proud that we're here for you. We've been here, actually, for the 77 years of our history, coming up with solutions to help you succeed and help you find and run your business. So I think we should be very excited because you are the first ones here at Label 2023 that you're going to see this press in action. We listened to all your requests and we took them to the max in the Pro Max in the latest edition. Ladies and gentlemen, and of course we have our experts on my right and left. To my right, our print technician, Kevin. Hi, Kevin. And our demo room manager, Łukasz, to my left.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome. Please join us.
Yes, please join us. And Łukasz, tell us what will be the first job we're going to be printing.
So for the first job, we are printing beer label printed on metallized BOPP delivered by UPM Raflatac. On top of that, we are applying cast and cure film.
So if we're using that digital white, that means that at what speed can we be printing?
Because we are using digital white toner, we are printing with speed of 20 meters per minute. If we don't use white, we are printing 40 meters per minute.
Exactly, ladies and gentlemen. So this will be the first job. Then we'll change and you'll see how we print without the digital white so the machine goes faster. How will it look like, more or less?
So we are starting with digital process, which is CMYK and white digital. Then we are applying cast and cure in usage of our flexo station and, of course, rewinding at the end.
So, ladies and gentlemen, as we're going with the first job, it's good to know that you can run your business on this machine with intuitive operation, inline finishing, digital white toner, and of course, the lowest waste possible. When it comes to this machine, it's good when you think about your needs right now and also your needs in a couple of months or years because it's highly configurable. But you might be also wondering how we came to Pro Max. Actually, it started with Digital Pro 3, where we used a white flexo ink station. But the problem was that we had to first produce and then mount this flexo ink station. And that took time, that also cost money. So what happened next is our engineers came to this version of the Pro Max and used a digital toner engine and a digital white that allows us to print on metallic and clear substrates. What's happening here right now?
So our colleagues are changing the role of the material. We will be printing right now on semi-gloss paper from UPM Raflatac as well.
So now we're doing the changeover. We're going to tell you a little bit about the job that comes. So, ladies and gentlemen, the second job, Łukasz, what will it be?
The second job will be colorful supplement label.
Okay, and this label, what speed are we printing it at?
We will be printing with speed of 40 meters per minute.
Yeah, so here it goes a bit faster without the digital white. What the process looks like, more or less?
The process is fully digital, CMYK digital toner.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so the changeover is going. You can also check your watches how fast it will be. In the meantime, let me tell you that also this machine enjoys flexibility and adaptability, which means you can configure it at any time. You can add up to 3 flexo stations before or after the digital engine. You can also add a turn bar, a semi-rotary vertical die cut, of course, or you can simply start with the D Pro 3 engine and then upgrade to the Pro Max. So there are opportunities for you to expand and configure this machine as your business expands and when you're ready for it. This machine was specifically built from medium to short-run prime labels. So it also allows narrow web converters to enter the digital transformation.
So the role has been changed. Kevin is moving the splice just after the digital module. Then he will load a new job. We'll be waiting a few moments for calibration of the digital engine, and we will start printing job number 2.
Exactly. In the meantime, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to remind you some figures when it comes to this machine. So the Digital Pro Max runs a 330 millimeter print width at the speed of 40 meters per minute without, of course, the digital white at 1200 dpi for CMYK, and the max speed CMYK plus the digital white is 20 meters per minute at 1200 dpi. You can run here different materials, BOP, PPT, PP as well, or actually you can also run unsupported paper, or you can use your existing stock, but of course requiring priming or coating. This machine you can also enhance with the easy-to-use RIP, which means you can print an existing PDF just at a touch of a button. That helps you definitely, and then you can take the next day orders with 60% faster changeover and 50% less waste. So material waste, of course. In addition, you can also enhance it with the Smart Link that I've also been talking about today. So this is a real data analytics for the operators to have a look at the machine's performance, and that way they can make timely adjustments. So that also reduces errors, reduces time and costs, and altogether, of course, brings you greater profits. And generally, when you're thinking about equipment, Mark Andy's equipment, we also do encourage you to have a look at our MAPP, so Mark Andy's print products, our digital consumables.
So
With our, yes, go
Sorry.
on.
Machine started to print. It means the calibration process has been finished. So we'll be printing the new freshly printed labels, and Kevin will share some samples.
Yeah, exactly. So you see how fast it is. Soon you will get the first samples. And going back to digital products, with this you have the advantage of the same-day shipping, easy online ordering, and of course world-class distribution. So do remember that digital consumables are really important, probably the same at the your bottom line as the right equipment, because it all works together. And we already have the first samples, right? Perfect. So Kevin will be giving out some samples so you can have a look. In the meantime, let me just also remind you, because we're really proud to announce the expansion of our Domino partnership with the addition to the Digital Series IQR and Digital Series 730. So if you want to know something more about it, ask our staff. And here we're going to the samples. Of course, ladies and gentlemen, there is our sample rack here to my left. You can have a look. You can go also to the reception desk. We got some more samples there and brochures. Or if you're more into digital, as we are, you can just scan the QR codes. You get the specifications of all the labels we're printing and also our brochures.